Hello everybody, my name is Mason Robertson and today I'm going bass fishing in my ponds. And I'm also going to be showing you what kind of bait I'm using. And we're just gonna have really fun and hopefully we can catch some fish. And yeah. So the type of bait I'm using is actually pretty simple. It is just a normal jig, and it has very, very, very sharp hooks on it. So this is the bait that I'm going to be using. And this area right here, it helps it jig. So whenever you do jig, it just makes some more of that noise right there and waves. So without further ado, we are going to go fishing. So I am actually about to jig and make the cast right now.
Oh! Fish on! Woo! Fish on! Woo! You gotta be kidding me right now! Let's go! Fishies! I'm taking a little bass today. Woo! Y'all, look at this right here. Look at this beautiful bass. Gotta get my pliers out. With this right here. Guys, this fish is just beautiful up here right now. Wow, this is a largemouth bass right here. Let me get this closer up to the camera right now. This bass right here is just beautiful, y'all. Wow. Oh my God, this bass literally caught my freaking hook off right here. This bass right here, wow. It's gonna be a quick video, but look at this. Wow, so let's go release him. Let's go. So we're gonna release this guy. So just simply, so you just gotta push this guy out just a little. So I'm over here, let's just push him out a little. Thank y'all so much for watching this. So I'm just gonna go back and teach you guys how to jig. This is a short but sweet video. I'm not really gonna take that long, but wow. I was about to reel it in too, but it's gonna show you guys how to jig. And yeah. So what I'm just going to be showing you how just to do is I'm gonna jig it. So let's just cast it out. I'm just gonna cast it out on a random spot. Alright, so first what you're going to want to do is, if you are using one of these, basically what you do is just hold this part right here, and this is just how I do it. So if you guys know how to do it, then send another comment and I'll do a redo on this video. So basically what you do is you turn it up. So it's basically just like setting the hook in salt water. So you just, and then it'll make that dramatic wave. And then that really attracts them. So please don't do what I just did, just skip it. But now that we're closer, you can actually see it now. Do that. But I'm gonna just do it like just a couple times. So we're gonna cast this in the same exact spot. And yeah, I'll see y'all on the other side.
Let's catch another bass.
These bass here are very fun to catch. They're not record size, but they're just fun to catch. So I'm gonna try and catch another one for you guys. So let's do this. So normally where I just cast it, where you guys is, that's where I always catch the bass. I never caught a bass anywhere else over here, except this location right here, where you guys are at right now. Other bass just jumped. Because almost every single time I come out here, I at least catch one fish. So it's super fun just to be out here and catch fish. Because whenever we're just not saltwater fishing, I can just come out here and fish whenever I want over here. So it's super fun out here. And I'm gonna try and catch another bass for you guys. So wish me luck, and yeah. So what I just did right now was I just cast it and jigged it over there. So I'm just waiting for another bite for you guys. So the bass that I caught, I wasn't even out here for 10 minutes, and I caught a bass just like that, just for you guys. My dad actually caught a bass 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago. And I'm like, dang, I really gotta catch a bigger bass than that one. And I think I caught the same exact bass as him. So that's why I'm just trying to catch a bigger bass. Thank you guys so much for the support. And yeah, let's go catch some fish. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I haven't been catching any fish since, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do more, I'll do more for you guys. So anyway, that's gonna wrap up this video. This video is pretty short, out of just random, but yeah, I'm going to go back inside, and we may be going out to the lake today and going zook boarding, so that's going to be fun, and we are going to bring you guys along with us. So thank you guys so much for the support, and yeah. So I was looking at the the videos for the bass fishing. I'm so sorry, the sound quality was off. I do not have a mic on my GoPro yet, but here is a little sneak peek of the Keys trip. That's gonna be in a couple more months, but I just want to show you a little sneak peek. We're going for mini season with friends, and here's a little sneak peek right here. That's a little sneak peek. So yeah, just forgive me about the sound quality, and yeah.